Nangomunye ecela i-YouTube channel yakho.
Thandeka King, sengizoqala ngibe active mngani wami.
Ngicela uyicebe ukuthi mina kade ngangikugqugquzela.
Kade kwase ngigqugquzela umngani wami, kodwa mina ngangingasiboni isidingo, futhi ngizosho nje ngisho kugcwala umlomo ukuthi I was a fool. Ngize ngadlulwa ingane uJayden has been active on her YouTube channel. Nami uDon Thandeka King ileyo nto nje, uvela utype lokho nje, yimi lowo uzongithola. Kukhona okuncanyane engikufakayo, kodwa I think I'm going to use it meaningfully now, because this is the new way of communicating with people, and this is the new way of actually reaching out to people, motivating them, encouraging them, ngoba it's a difficult time at school.
Okay, imake before just address lena, ama questions ngizowaziba kufanele siwa-address ngelinye ilanga, because njengamanje sibuza ama-questions a-direct kuDon. Ngibona njengama-questions abuza ukuthi is it possible to ask amadlozi ukukwehlisa ulaka. Leyo ama-topic afanele axoxwe ngelokhuzana, nge-episode yawo. Njengamanje sibuza ama-episode directed to uMadeve Bhulu. Does Indumba still need to be around a thatched hut or house even namanje? Asayise si-addressa leyo sesiyibekile.
Leyo ngizothi cha, ngoba ake sithi nje, okay, mina ngeke ngisebenzise i-example yami Thoma, la engaqala khona ukusebenza abantu. Ngangisebenza, indumba yami was i-granny flat. The entire flat was dedicated to being indumba, which meant namathwasa ekhona ayilala khona yayine nje i-granny flat, wonke umuntu uyazi i-granny flat into enjani. So ngakhe ilokhungana la engangihlala khona, because kwangakabi sizona indawo eyami. But mase nginendawo yami, yes, uRondaville uyadingeka, izalukazi lamakhehla ziyadinga indlu yesiZulu ezohlala kuyo, ozosebenzela kuyo. But akusho ukuthi la ukhona mawukwazi ukwakha, ake sithi nje njoba thina sihlala besimo esihlala kuwo, fanele kube khona indawo engisebenzela kuyo. So I have i-study sami. I always say i-study sami sala endlini is my sacred place, indawo yami yokusebenzela, indawo yami yokukhuleka. So yes, it needs to be indumba, it needs to be uround, kodwa ake sithi ula esilungwini awunawo, awukwazi ukungabi nayo phela indawo yokukhuleka neyokusebenza. Ebese mawusuthola ithuba lokwakha, wakhe ngoba uyadingeka.
Okay, khona bacela i-link futhi, I think isidukile la kuma-comments ngoba maningi kakhulu, sengiphinde ngayifaka futhi i-link. uKing Dean, uzombona lapho, uzo-enjoya kakhulu i-content yakhe. Uthi omunye umbuzo wami uthi isithunywa sithatha isikhathi esingakanani ukusebenza?
Njoba kade ngishilo, abantu abafana, abantu abangenwanga abantu abafanayo, angazi, but isithunywa sikhuphulwa kakhulu ukukhuleka. Akufaneke ube umuntu okhonza ukulala uma umuntu onesithunywa. Faneke ngo-12 wena, u-12 ubonwa wena uyakhuleka emakhandleleni akho, eli-yellow, eli-blue, elimhlophe, uyakhuleka. Uyotshelwa futhi ukuthi mangabe kuwukuthi add ezinye izibani ekukhulekeni kwakho, uyatshelwa nokutshelwa nangokuthi why u-add izibani, because izibani sisebenzisa kakhulu amakhandlela. Mangithi izibani ngisho amakhandlela, sisebenzisa amakhandlela, sisebenzisa amanzi, sisebenzisa iwasho. Iwasho ke you find them in different forms, like bath salts. They look like bath salts or powder bathile. Sisebenzisa into ekanjalo that are salt based, or salt amakhandla. Abantu ababaziyo abathandaza basebenza kanjani bayabazi, but kakhulu usebenzisa amanzi. Khuleka ungalali. Umuntu uma ngabe efuna ukukhuphula isithunywa, khuleka ungalali. Ngo-3 uyakhuleka unawulele, ngo-4 uyakhuleka unawulele, ngo-6 awukhuleka. Futhi nje awunabo ubuthongo uma ngabe umuntu onesithunywa, uyakhuleka nje. Yilapho-ke uzothola khona ukuthi isithunywa sakho siyasebenza. Uwe ngaphandle nje ukuthi uthathe uyiswe emanzini empophomeni nakuphi, phela siphila kuwe, kufanele sikhushulwe uwena.
Itumeleng Mathosa uthi uyaxakeka yena, so we had seen the two of you having a serious conversation. I just love both of you. Siyakuthanda nathi, siyakuthanda kakhulu.
Kuyasho ukuthi siphinde sibe abantu abaserious, abantu bangempela phela.
Nangumaqhawe Dlamini uthi manje yena kaganiwe, neprofile yakhe iyasho ukuthi real men don't rape. Ngicela usisi abangaganile aba-available niqale nixhumane.
Bamxhume.
Phela Maqhawe na umendo uyizela. Na uMendu Izela angifune umuntu ozothi akaganiwe uMaqhawe efuna unkosikazi akaganiwe uMaqhawe. Ufuna thina. So we had sing the two of you. Link please, I've just added the link again. Let me add it again. Uzoyibona nje bese niya lapho ke ku YouTube ke nimfollowish. Funa nisho nje ukuthi your mom brought me here or Thenjiwe brought me here. Nizobona ukuthi thina nathi siyamsiza ukuthi mase la sonke.
Siyamsebenzela.
It sounds strange. Name of your channel ube seyishilo Don Thandeka King. Siyabonga mkhulu. Ngifuna imibuzo ngoba mase ngivalile akukho umuntu ozolokhe inboxa la ibuza imibuzo. Profound on the acting part kanti niba kwamoya when you act a different person.
Oh yeah. It's a very ukuthi abantu ena bakuthatha wena mnganami i-acting bayithatha kancane ngengqondo yezikesh yabo ngengqondo yokuthi hayi siyadlala akudlalwa lapha yana because when you are like for instance bayazi mangumangcobo bayangibona ngumangcobo bayangibona akekho umangcobo la akekho umangcobo nje umuntu ongekho la so but mase ngingenile kwi-character kamangcobo bayabona hayibo nangumangcobo so
uyamuzwa
ukuthi ngeke ichaze tiyenzeka kanjani
uyamuzwa nawe ukuthi uphi umangcobo
yeah
uthi omunye how do you control ukutshela i-stranger indaba zaso uqala ukumbona umuntu uqala ukubabona ngoba lento ugcina ugula uma uyiziva
uyamcela uxolo umuntu uma ngabe kuukuthi iyakuhlupha ngoba kukhona ukuthi ikuhluphe okwangempela kuukuthi lowo muntu kufanele athole usizo from wena by you just saying uvula into ethile mhlambe yena ubengekho aware umcele nje uxolo ake sithi mhlambe sephathini sokubeka kanjalo just umcela uxolo niphume phandle usho ukuthi uxolise kumuntu uthi ngiyaxolisa kodwa kukhona into engifisa ukukutshela yona nakho kanje it's up to uyena kumuntu ukuthi uthatha kanjani kodwa wena usuke usuyikhiphile kuwena isuke isikuyena isihleli kuyena ngoba ungamtshelanga izokuhlupha wena emoyeni
nangu unonhlatawu uthi yena ucela idlozi lama-million ngeke ungafundi ukungenwa idlozi lawo liwumatapa udaka so kubona nawe unamabhaya nodaka uyabona nje ofanele ucele uthandaze ukuthi hayi abahlehla ababehlupheka abahlehla abeza ngokuhlupheka. Let's don't harsh on the family ezuzalo. Sithenge siwaphendule njengamanje ngoba we are running out of time ama-questions ozalo siyowenza ngelinye ilanga bayayifuna i-channel yakho Don ngicela ube active ngempela ngizokuhlala iyithena
ngenza ukuthi ngiyaxosa bese ngixosile ngithanda kakhulu Instagram so sengizokwenza konke
kuyinto ekhona ukuthi idlozi liyayivala imizwa kuphathini wakho
I wish he could have explained more ukuthi uthini kodwa ke ngizokuchaza kanje ake sikubeke ngokuthi umuntu onedlozi uma umuntu onedlozi idlozi lifina noma isithunywa noma isidalwa ngizokubeka kanjani isidalwa sidinga ukudila nawe noma sidinga ukuthi wenze into ethile ngaleso sikhathi kuyaye kufike la uyithola khona ungathi awufuni lutho eduze kwakho awufune umuntu wesilisa eduze kwakho uma umuntu wesifazane awufune umuntu wesifazane eduze kwakho uma umuntu wesilisa ungafuni lutho nje isidalwa sisuke sadila ngawe sisebenza ngawe kukhona into eserious ekufanele kuyenze khona lento yokuyithiba ebalekile uma umuntu kamoya ukuyithiba lokho kuthiwa fasting ukufasta kubaleka kakhulu uma ufasta awufasti kuphela ukudla ufasta ukudla ufasta being intimate ufasta into eziningi ufasta alcohol ube pure in spirit nomzimba wakho uzame kakhulu ukuthi ungangcoliswa yilutho ngoba ilapho umoya ukhona khona uyabona ukuthi umoya uyinto pure eclean kanjani awufuni ukuhamba usondela nezinto ezingcolile so ukufasta umuntu wesifazane uma umuntu wesilisa uthola ukuthi mhlawumbe kuthiwa fasta for 2 weeks lapho your partner needs to be an understanding partner that's why isikhathi esiningi uthola ukuthi people abanomoya bagcina bengenawo ama-partners, or if bengenawo ama-partners a-understandayo, or noma eqale understand umuntu bese yakuhlupha, isidalwa-ke siyamqhelisa kumuntu okanjalo ozophazamisa indlela yakho. So uthola ukuthi uthi usahamba kamnandi kusamnandi, usumbona useqhelisiwe umuntu, hawu kwenze njani, uphazamisa uhlelo lwesidalwa.
Uthi uFaith Barnes, kudala mina ndiyibalekela bosisi bami, kunzima ngenxa yefamily nenkonzo. I'm suffering from depression as we speak.
So it's up to you ke Faith, wena it's up to you, wena zitshele ukuthi ufuna ukuphilela ifamily yakho nenkonzo. Njengoba siku lockdown nje kanje, I'm sure sekuvulelekekile kuwe, sekwembulelekile ukuthi i-spiritual journey sakho is in your hands. It's not in the hands of isonto, it's not in the hands of abazali bakho, it is in your hands. Ngoba mina ngizokwenza i-example ukuthi, what if i-COVID-19 kwakungesi i-COVID-19, what if kwavele kwaqhamuka nje kwathi mbo, kwaqhamuka nje isibhakabhaka sahlangana nomhlaba kwathi mbo, kwabe ukuphela kwethu njalo. What would have the church, what would it have to do with the church? Nothing. What would have our parents have to do? Nothing. Sekuyisikhathi sethu sokuthi siphindele to our maker. So when we are called spiritually, let's pay attention, because that is our awakening. You need to be awake spiritually so that you can understand ukuthi izinto zasemhlabeni really azichazi lutho. Umuntu mayekuvimbela for you to be awake spiritually, uphazamisa uhlelo lwempilo yakho, uhlelo likaJehova, uhlelo lweyidalwa zakini, uhlelo lwengilosi ehamba nawe wena khonto wayifikela la emhlabeni. Remember, our parents are just i-passage ukuthi sifike la. Fanele siwahloniphe, but mase kuphumile ukuthi umuntu unobizo, muyeke umuntu aphile mzali, yeke umuntu aphile i-purpose yakhe ayifikele emhlabeni, ngoba i-purpose ayifikele emhlabeni musumvimba wena, you are just prolonging the journey for umuntu ukuthi iqale. Kanti mayeqala umuntu as early as possible, ziningi izinto angayi-accomplisha umuntu. Kumanje it is spiritual healers that need to heal the world. Ayikho spiritual healer fanele ngabe ilele ngo-12 noma ngo-3, kufanele ngabe kuyakhulekwa, kukhulunywa noNkulunkulu, kuyashwelezwa. It is the spiritual healers that will heal this world.